Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look.
Hi everyone, welcome. Today we're going to talk about medroxyprogesterone, a very useful medication in different medical situations. To start, what is medroxyprogesterone and how is it used? Medroxyprogesterone is a type of progestin, which is a synthetic hormone similar to the natural progesterone in our body. It's mainly used to treat problems with menstruation, endometriosis, and in hormone therapy for women who have gone through menopause. It's also part of injectable contraceptives. And how does medroxyprogesterone work? Well, it acts on the lining of the uterus and the mammary glands, which helps regulate the menstrual cycle and reduce abnormal tissue growth. It also prevents ovulation, which is why it is effective as a contraceptive method. Now, let's talk about how to take it and in what dosage. The initial dose and the one taken to maintain the effect may vary depending on what is being treated. For problems with menstruation, it is normal to take a daily dose for 5 to 10 days. In the case of injectable contraceptives, one injection every 3 months is enough. It is super important to follow your doctor's instructions to the letter. Let's move on to side effects and precautions. Some common side effects are headaches, changes in appetite and mood, and also changes in menstruation. If you notice any unusual symptoms, it is important that you tell your doctor. Also, it is not recommended to take it if you have had problems with blood clots or certain types of cancer. Finally, medroxyprogesterone is a versatile and effective medication when used correctly. Remember that you should always consult your doctor before starting any treatment and follow their instructions. Thank you for being here today. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave a comment. See you next time. Break time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.